Are you considering a divorce in Texas? Finding the right information in Spanish can be overwhelming. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Residency requirements. Before you start, keep in mind that to file for divorce in Texas, you must meet residency requirements. You need to have lived in the state for at least 6 continuous months and in the county where you file for 90 days. Types of divorce. Texas is a no-fault divorce state, which means you don't need to prove your spouse did anything wrong to obtain the divorce. The two main options are no-fault divorce based on insupportable marriage. This is the most common type and only requires stating that there is a conflict of personalities and no reasonable expectation of reconciliation. Agreed divorce. This requires the consent of both spouses on all terms of the divorce, such as property division and child custody. Steps of the process. File the divorce petition. Go to the appropriate county courthouse and complete the paperwork. You can find help from organizations like Texas Law Help or Texas Volunteer Attorneys Network. Notification. Your spouse must be legally notified about the petition. Waiting period. Texas requires a 60-day waiting period from the filing of the petition to the finalization of the divorce. This period allows time for reflection and for reaching agreements with your ex-spouse. Division of property and debts. Texas is a community property state, meaning properties and debts acquired during the marriage are generally divided equally. There are exceptions for properties acquired before marriage or through inheritance. Child custody. If you have children, you will need to determine custody, support, and visitation schedules. Consider mediation to reach fair agreements for the children. Final hearing. If no agreements are reached, the judge will make decisions on the disputed matters. Important tips. Seek legal guidance. Even if you don't need an attorney, consulting one can help protect your rights and understand the process. Consider mediation. It's a less costly and contentious option than a trial for resolving issues like custody and property division. Prioritize communication and respect. Despite the difficulties, maintaining respectful communication with your ex-spouse will benefit both of you, especially if you have children. Keep your finances organized. Gather financial documents such as bank statements, property titles, and debts. Remember, divorce can be an emotional and complex process. Seek support from your surroundings, be patient with yourself, and don't hesitate to ask for professional help if needed. May this step lead to a happier future for you. #divorce #Texas #guide #separation